How to create an Android application without any programming knowledge or skill. Now, this is actually a mobile website that we have developed. You can watch our previous videos to see how we developed this mobile website that is actually structured and layout in all mobile phones. So, for instance, now this is how our mobile site looks like in phone, an Apple iPhone 5 phone. You can actually check it to see how it looks like in other editions here from this site. It is called mobile simulator, mobilephoneemulator.com, to use to preview to see how your mobile site looks like. Okay, so we wanted to convert this very site now into an Android applications without any programming knowledge. Okay, now we have to go to this website. It is called appsgesa.com. So all you need to do is to come here. You just create an account for free. It's actually free. Then you just fill in your email address and that's all. So it's very simple. Then you log in to your backend. So this is actually our backend. Okay, so all I need to do is to go to the top here and we just click on create app. Okay, so we'll just click on create app here and enter our website. If it is a document we use, if it is our videos, but we want to convert our website to an Android application. Now the joy about this is whenever we update our website, automatically the Android app will be also updated. Okay, so let me just put our website here and yeah, so this is it. Let me put http colon. Okay, so you can actually click here to refresh it to see how the apps will look like in an Android device. Okay, so you've seen it. So this is it. So this is how the app will now look like in an Android device. So all I need to do here is to type the name of our Android. So let me say Daystar Bible Church main. Okay, I've created one before, so let me just make this one let me just make this one the Daystar Bible Church. That will be the name of our app because I've already created one before, so you can actually use this. Okay, so you can now like title it to look at the title. So this will be the description in our Google Marketplace, our Android Marketplace, where people can now go and download this app. So it's like a brief description. So I can say this is the official. I can say this is the official Android applications. This is the official Android app of Daystar Bible Church. Okay, so Bible Church. Okay, so that's all. So yeah, you can now click here. So it will now show an icon. This icon, it is what will now appear in our Google Marketplace. Let me open our Google Marketplace. Play that. Okay, so it's an icon that people will see when they are now looking for your Android application. It is also what will now show on their Android devices. So you can see this. So this is actually called, this is the device. You've seen it. So you've seen it. It is. So you can actually use the logo of your organization and all that. Okay, so let me click here. Let's go back and use custom icon. You can see the size must be 72 by 72. So let me browse on my PC and search for an image I will use. Okay, so I'll just click here, browse, and locate the. Okay, so this is our app logo. Okay, so this is what I want to use. Okay, I'm using the logo of our organization. So that is what we'll use. And you've seen it here. So we just click on submit. So you've seen it's automatic. It has changed here. So it will ask you screen orientation. Do you want it to go vertical? Let's leave it auto, so that it depends on the device. So you can now choose the category of the blog you want to create. So let me just leave it as a blog and click on create apps. Okay, so it's as simple as this. So with it now, you can actually now download. If you have a phone, you can use what we call QR code. You can scan it and automatically to install the app on your phone. Or you can actually use this link. In our previous video, I was showing us how to download our Android apps. So when you click here now, it will now download what we call APK. It is an Android extension, so you can install it. Or alternatively, you can just publish it to Google Play direct. I think you pay just $26 or so, one-time payment. Then you can now upload all your Android apps to it. So with it, you can actually create any number of Android's applications, so people can now download. You tell them to go to Google Play and they'll download it and all that and all that. So it's very simple. This is how we create an Android application. That is very simple. So in our next training, I'll now teach you how to create these Android applications yourself, how to encode it, because the Android extensions already to be reside on this apps Gesa their website. So how you can now create yours and upload it and also tweak it to do any other thing. But using this site is very good, because immediately I make an update automatic from our website, automatic it will be here. Okay, so this is how we create. Then you can also install an Android application also on your PC. You go to this website, it is called makemedroid.com. Then you can now install what we call an Android application, an Android operating system on your PC. So with it, you can actually test your applications, the ones that you've created, to see how it looks like on your Android, in case if you don't have an Android powered device. So you go to this site. It's very important. You just install it. It is called makemedroid.com to test your apps, to see what you've done so far. So thank you for watching our video on how to create an Android applications. Thanks.